In this video, create a rectangle by using trim paths, scale and the position, for gradient color and the lens flare effects. Hello everyone, welcome back to my After Effects tutorial. We're going to reveal your logo or your text. Create a new composition. Type reveal your text in a composition name. Create a new background by right-click then solid. Then add for gradient color to the background solid. It's a time lapse. Change each color based on your favorite color. In order to create a rectangle, we create a shape layer. Then select Add, then in the drop-down menu select Path. And then draw a line in the center of a page. Now we will add a stroke to line and then increase the stroke width to 300. Now we are going to animate the stroke. We select Add, then in the drop-down menu select Trim Path. At the beginning of the timeline, click End keyframe and then set to the 0. And then go to the next keyframe, click End keyframe and increase to 100. We go back 4 frames, click Start keyframe. And then move forward to 21st keyframe. Click Start keyframe and then set to the 100. As you can see, the triangle appears at the beginnings until it disappears from view. Select all keyframe and the press F9. Duplicate the first layer. Then go to Stroke Color and the change color to red. Move new shape layer forward a few frames. So now we are going to create two lines in the top and the bottom of the rectangle. Create a shape layer and then select Add, then in drop-down menu select Path. Draw a line on the top of the rectangle. Then add a stroke and increase the stroke width to 13. Now we're going to animate this stroke. We select Add, then drop-down menu select Trim Path. So, at the 18th frames, click End keyframe and then set to the 0. And move forward frame and then click End keyframe and then set to 100. Go back 4 frames, click Start keyframe and then set to the 0. And then at the second, click Start keyframe and then set it to 100. Okay guys, as you can see my YouTube channel name and the subscribe button, I invited you to join my YouTube channel. I suppose it's better to move forward the Start keyframe after End keyframes, yeah. Select all keyframes and the press F9. Duplicate the shape layer 3. Now we are going to create a second line and then move down. Okay, so the rectangle is created. In the next step is going to create a text layer. It is easy way to reveal your text or logo just a crossing red rectangle. As you can see, in this project we have the 2 text layer. You can use only your logo. Yeah. Move 2 text layer forward a few frames. The most important things that you know is that your text or your logo should be revealed after crossing the rectangle. Then change the position both the layers. Press S key to show scale. Click Scale keyframe and set it to 0. at the beginning of the both layers. Move forward 5 or 6 frames and then click Scale Keyframe and set it to 100. Don't forget the anchor point of the text layer or a logo layer. Open the text layer or logo layer, then go to the transform and then change anchor points from down to the center of the text layers or logo layer. Okay guys, as you can see my YouTube channel name and the subscribe button, I invited you to join my YouTube channel. Okay, so if you want to use a bright light such as a sunlight, add a lens flare effect to the solid background. It is just a basic setup, which we can move lens to a center of the page, click flare center and the flare brightness at the beginning of the timeline. I prefer to change the lens type to 50 to 300 millimeter zoom. It's optional. As soon as the white rectangle is appeared, change the flare brightness to 0. Yeah. Press U key to see all keyframes. After crossing the red rectangle, click Flare Brightness keyframe. The end will increase flare brightness to 100. But it changes flare center position from a center of the page to corner. The project is finished. I hope to enjoy watching the video. Thank you for your attention and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. For watching the more videos, you can use my After Effects playlist. You can see the awesome links. Yes, there are social networks addresses are below. My Facebook address, my Instagram address, and the Twitter